क्या मैं सच में ऐसा हूं? मुझे इसे बदलना होगा।
Make sure to watch the full video and like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates.
You put on a nice t-shirt, look in the mirror, and think you look pretty good. But when you take that shirt off at the beach or the pool, the softness becomes much more apparent. The shape disappears, leaving you with no visible chest line and a handful of stubborn fat around your waist. At the same time, simple physical tasks feel heavier than they should. If you drop down for a few push-ups or try to move boxes in the garage, you realize you lack the actual strength that someone of your size ought to have. Take a breath. Your body isn't broken. You simply fall into a specific physical category known as skinny fat. And because your starting point is unique, the standard fitness advice you've been hearing is likely to lead you in the wrong direction. When most people realize they're out of shape, they panic. They suddenly treat carbs like the enemy and jump into hours of exhausting high-intensity cardio, leaving the gym completely destroyed. This video outlines a 6-month body recomposition protocol designed to rebuild your frame from the inside out, replacing soft tissue with solid muscle without resorting to starvation or extreme exhaustion. To begin this process, you only need a few simple tools: a smartphone step tracker, a camera for baseline photos, and a break from extreme dieting. Solving the skinny fat physique requires a simultaneous approach. You are going to swap out soft fat for solid muscle tissue. This chart shows how your body composition responds to extreme stress. When you starve yourself while doing endless cardio, your body prioritizes survival over muscle maintenance. It strips away the muscle you already have to find energy, right alongside the fat. Instead of uncovering an athletic physique, you just shrink. You end up as a smaller, equally soft version of the exact same body shape. The first step in our protocol is to set your daily food intake to maintenance calories, or a very slight deficit of about 15%. This provides enough energy to sustain your body without force-feeding or starving. This diagram shows the biological mechanic of body recomposition. By providing just enough food to maintain your weight, you force your body to tap into its stored fat for energy, while using the protein you eat to construct new muscle tissue. To make this remodeling possible, Step 2 focuses on building materials. You need to make consistent, tactical dietary swaps to ensure your body has the protein it needs to build. Diet culture suggests that high-protein eating means suffering through dry chicken breasts and steamed broccoli out of plastic containers for the rest of your life. In reality, you can hit these targets with zero-effort swaps. Scrambling a few eggs, eating Greek yogurt, or mixing a protein shake ensures your body has the materials to build without requiring you to be a perfect chef. By eating at maintenance with high protein, you effectively rebuild your frame from the inside out, burning stubborn fat while constructing muscle in its place. When it comes to movement, you must stop the grueling cardio sessions. They spike your hunger and wipe out the energy you need for the actual construction work. Step 3 is establishing a low-friction movement goal, simply getting between 7,000 and 10,000 steps a day. You can accumulate these steps easily by pacing during a phone call or taking a stroll after dinner. It burns calories without spiking your appetite or leaving you exhausted. For Step 4, you will use progressive overload in the gym to provide the stimulus for muscle growth. This chart shows the level-up mechanic of training. Every week, you simply challenge yourself to do a tiny bit more than last time, like adding 1 extra rep or 5 more pounds to the bar. Remember that the gym is only the stimulus. The actual construction of new muscle tissue happens entirely after you leave. Step number 5 is locking in your recovery by getting at least 7 hours of sleep every single night. During sleep, your hormones reset and your body actively uses protein to knit together new muscle tissue. Physical transformation doesn't require a grueling boot camp. Walking, lifting slightly heavier each week, and sleeping well are quiet, low-friction habits that run consistently in the background of your life. Step 6 requires a change in how you track your progress. This balance scale shows a small, dense cube of muscle perfectly balancing a large, fluffy cloud of fat. Because dense muscle takes up much less space than fat, your physical proportions can transform even as the bathroom scale stays completely still. Instead of stressing over a weight number, look for the real signals. Pay attention to how your shirts start fitting tighter across your shoulders and looser around your waist. Rely on weekly mirror photos and the way your clothing drapes over your body, rather than panicking over a scale that refuses to move. Trusting these physical measurements is the only way to manage the mental game of recomposition without quitting. To recap the protocol, maintain a slight caloric deficit, make easy protein swaps, hit your daily steps, lift progressively, and get 7 hours of sleep. Stick to this plan 80% of the time over the next 6 months. Demanding 100% perfection usually leads to burnout by week 3. You didn't arrive at this physique overnight, and it takes patient consistency to dismantle the skinny fat look and reveal an athletic shape. Step in front of a mirror right now and take your baseline photo.